Calling about Toastmaster Veda. Okay. The topic is CC manual. CC manual Toastmaster Veda, Toastmaster Veda, CC manual. Thank you.
When you receive the question paper in the examination part, the first expression that comes to your mind is, "Oh my God!" The only way to pass this exam by copying. But a fellow responsible advantage is getting it to the art immediately. Do you know how hard it is to get copy? It's not that much easy. So the student came up with the idea of creating that manual, CC manual. It's nothing but Cognizant's copy manual. It's a guide to make copy very easier and more effective. The Cognizant's copy manual has four objectives. The one is body language. The body language is the main, its major role to play here in communication. It's not communication, just listening. It includes stance, movement, gesture, facial expression, and eye contact. We can move to the first expression, that is stance. Don't start, sit confidently, be confident. If you feel nervous, obviously your teacher will suspect you and she will stand even right next to you. It is very hard to get copy. So be very cautious on that. Next is the movement. Don't do some sudden and just movement. Like this. Okay? If you're calling this person, just call something. If you shake it like this, if you make some louder noise, automatically everyone will be you. Even your teacher will start suspecting you. Okay? So obviously, she will kick you out from outside of the house. And obviously, your father will kick you out from the house. It will happen. So be very cautious on that. Then the third is gesture. It is like head and hand movement. For example, if it is a true or false question, this is true, this is false. Then if it comes to multiple choice question, this is A, B, C, and D. For example, if you are asking a question like answer for second or fourth summation question, if you are asking like a person like this, he will get confused and he will obviously answer for the fourth answer. So instead of that, just do like this. If you do like this, automatically he will knows he is asking for the second or fourth summation question. So just follow these things. Then comes to facial expression. Always keep very cautious on facial expression. If you are doing something like this stupid things, then automatically you will get caught. Then comes to Tukta, which is eye contact. Always keep eye contact with the student as well as teachers. But don't worry about the student because he knows the language very well about you. But only thing is, you have to be more cautious on the teacher. Like, if you don't know, the teacher is teaching you, but you are doing like this, and she will get, she will ask you to go outside. This will happen. So be very cautious on the eye contact of the teacher. Then move on to vocal variation. Always in examination part, don't be louder. Just keep your voice very little. If you want to call this person, just call him. If you're calling it, then not. Should not shout. Okay? That is the rule number 2. And now the objective of 3 is nothing but it is the timing. Always make sure the time. You have given only 3 hours of time. You don't have any extra time to get copy. Be very cautious on that. For example, here your English letter will place the major role. When she start moving here, just start reading. Till it reaches that, you can write very faster. Once you turn back, obviously you should stop. If you didn't stop there, then gone. Then the fourth objective is that is very important ability because you have to be very confident on that. If you didn't, you are very confident, not to get caught. Like, if I, like all exams, all of this will go wrong if you didn't be very confident. For example, if you are not confident and your invigilator is going forward, if you still you are copying it, automatically you will get caught. So you should be very cautious in that timing as well as confident. For example, if the invigilator is catching you and why are you copying? Just give the answer sheet. You should be very confident on denying it. No ma'am, I didn't copy it. You should be very confident on that, or else you don't. So you should be follow all 4 objectives here. We make sure if you are having all objectives, automatically you will become the copyists. The final suggestion is like still you get caught. Why? Because if the teacher is pausing, you will have the blank of the paper. Once you come back, you complete the entire sheet. After you get caught, right? So be very cautious on that also. So these are the 4 objectives. Since one more thing is, even you will get still caught because the person who is in front of you, once he saw the question paper and saying like, "Oh my God," then gone. If you say also, like if you didn't get caught here, then obviously you will get caught in outside. For example, if I complete the exam and clear all those subjects and you are moving out from the market, in the marketplace they will judge you and will decide you don't have that much of knowledge. So always believe in yourself, don't believe others. Be prepared and don't copy. Thank you.